What is up, baddies and boys? It's the sweetest ShonJolie. In this video, I'll be putting my Viva Glam bundles to the test and putting some nice voluminous wand curls in this hair. If you are just stumbling across my channel and you have not seen the review that I've done over this hair, definitely go check that out first. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at ShonJolie as well as subscribe. Let's go. Control my anxiety. Y'all should already know I was coming with the speed up. If y'all anything like me, you do not want to sit here and watch somebody curl their entire head. So I will only be showing y'all how I curl one side of my hair because it's pretty self-explanatory. We all know how to curl hair and we all probably got either some type of straightener or wand curler. I also want to let y'all know that I did not put any product on this hair. The only product that's on this hair is like a straightening serum and that's from days ago, but I didn't want to use any hairsprays or anything like, you know, a holding spray to see how the curls would hold up over days to see whether or not this hair would be really good for curling. And it seems to be doing very well because I did put a bump at the end of this hair while it was straightened, and it's been there since I did it. Alright, right here I'm just moving my curls closer to the root of my hair because I wanted more volume towards the front. At the back, I really don't be wanting that type of volume back there because I don't like puffy hair in the back. I want all the volume to kind of be at the bottom as opposed to the root, as well as I'm a bit of a lazy wand curler. I'm not even gonna lie, ain't nobody trying to get all the way to the root. Now if somebody else was doing my hair, then yeah, get me all the way to the root, sis, but I ain't doing it because it just takes too much time. But for right now, this is actually the look that I wanted, so that's what we went for. And now that that's all done, let's get to this final look, y'all. Yeah. Feelings so deep in feelings. No, say you really like me. You control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up. Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up. Hold up, hold up. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, 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 can back it up. Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, back it up, can back it up. Hold up. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up, can back it up. Ladies can back it up, can back it up, can back it up. So